How to install a straight staircase. Difficulty level 2 hammers. Installing a straight staircase, delivered in 2 ready-to-assemble sections, does not pose any real challenges. It will, however, require 2 people to install it. You will need a straight staircase with all the necessary accessories: wood glue, dowels, panel pins, corbels, and some plaster or quick-setting cement for the corbels. You will need a tall stepladder, some trestles, a tape measure, a pencil, a spirit level, a set square, a cordless drill, a hammer drill, a flat and round wood drill bit, a masonry drill bit, hammer, a wood offcut, 2 clamps, a cold chisel to make holes for the corbels, a cat-tongue trowel, and a bucket. Make sure you wear safety goggles and protective gloves. Prepare the stringers. Place the 2 stringers flat on the trestle tables, grooves uppermost. Every 3 steps, drill a 6 mm hole in the slot for the step. Turn the stringers over and at the drill points, enlarge the hole using a 20 mm flat wood drill bit to a depth of 6 mm. This larger drill hole is called countersinking, which means the screw heads can be inset and the holes concealed by wooden caps. Installing the steps and risers. Locate the steps and risers inside the slots, tapping with the wood offcut if necessary. Check the right angle with a set square and screw them in place every 3 steps as you go. Position the second stringer with the grooves aligned with the edges of the steps and the risers. Using a wood offcut, tap firmly to embed the edges fully into the grooves. Finish putting the remaining fixing screws into the drill holes. Now you should nail the pins into the steps and risers as shown in the instruction leaflet. Use a nail punch if necessary. You should add a finishing coat to all surfaces that will be concealed on installation immediately, such as the side of the stringer adjacent to the wall. Place the handrail on the trestles and fix each baluster using glue and wood dowels. Add a panel pin for extra strength at each joint. Smear glue on the tops of the baluster and then add the other edge. Insert screws to hold the assembly firmly in place. The choice of staircase is dictated by the height of the landing above ground. Of course, you can always reduce the height of the stairway by shortening the stringers. At the top and bottom, you need at least 80 cm width to allow easy access to the staircase. Measuring. The top of the staircase sits on a solid wooden batten. Measure the thickness of the step and mark this position from the edge of the landing. Place the batten on the marks you made and check it is horizontal with the spirit level. Mark the drill points through the batten with a pin or a screw tip. Drill, then insert the wall plug suitable for the type of wall. Screw the batten firmly in place. Fixing the newel post. Place 2 wooden offcuts on the ground and the staircase on top so the anchor points of the newel post are uppermost. Fix the newel post in place. Fitting. It will take 2 people sharing the load to lift the staircase into position. Locate the staircase on top of the supporting batten on the landing and ensure it is solidly held in place. Fixing in place on the floor. Under the first step at the bottom next to each stringer, mark the drill points for the right angle brackets retaining the staircase stringers. Remove the staircase while you drill the floor. Insert the wall plugs and screw the brackets to the floor. Fixing the staircase. Place the staircase on top of the batten on the landing and in line with the brackets on the floor. Check it is firmly held in place and insert fixing screws into the batten. Also, insert the screws into the brackets on the floor and the stringers to hold the assembly firmly. the newel post. Check the information leaflet before preparing to join the handrail and the newel post. Insert glue and a dowel before completing the joint with a screw. Place the handrail on top of the stringer. Position it adjacent to the newel post and fix in place. The lower newel post. Glue a dowel into the top of the post. Assemble and hold in place with a clamp. Screw to the post and the stringer. Gluing the caps in place. These caps come as part of the staircase kit, conceal the screwed joints. Glue and push each into place. Additional support. 2 corbels on the wall side of the staircase add rigidity. Place them under the stringer and bury them into the wall with quick-setting cement. Your staircase is now ready to use after adding the finishing coat of your choice to protect the wood.